Complement of an event. I'm going to use an example to explain this topic. This question asks, two six-sided dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum is not 3? This is similar to one of the previous questions we had. And now let's try to solve it. So last time we added all the different possibilities to find what we were looking for, right? So this is what we're going to do in this case. It's gonna take forever to just add all of these to see which ones are not 3, right? So instead, let's look at this problem carefully. Let's think about this problem. When we roll roll both dice, right, and we add up the numbers, right, the sum, if you think about it, will either be 3 or it won't be 3, right? There's no in between. It's either 3 or it's not 3. So it's either 3 or it's not 3. It's as simple as that. At 100%, let's say the probability of it landing on 3 is x. So the remaining probability, the probability that it's not going to be 3, is going to be 100% minus x. So this is what's remaining. And 100% is essentially just 1. It's 100 divided by 100. This is 1. So we could rewrite this as 1 minus x. So this is what it means to be a complement of a probability. Essentially, we have two different options here, right? Two different possibilities. We can find the probability of one outcome if we subtract it from the subtract the probability of this from 100%. So let's apply this onto this problem. So we already know how to solve for the probability of it being of these dice to add up to 3, right? We know that. Finding it to add up to not to 3 would just take longer, right? And so let's find the probability of it landing on 3. We'll use the same logic as before. 6, 5, 4, 3 cannot add up to 3 whatsoever. So we have 1, 2, and 1, 2 remaining. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 4. So we have 2 3s here remaining, and that'll be 2 over 36, which we said was 1 over 18. Now, what our complement of an event states is essentially it's just the entirety, well, 100% minus the probability to attain the probability, this probability, right? So if we do 100%, and we take out the probability of this, all that's remaining is the probability of not being 3. And that's 1 minus 1 over 18. And that probability of it not being 3 is 17 over 18. And we're done.